Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You're starting now. Plug the HomePod Mini into power and keep it within arm's reach of your iPhone. Make sure your iPhone is on the latest iOS, Bluetooth and Wi-Fi are enabled, and you're signed into iCloud. Open the Home app. Once the HomePod appears on screen, tap Setup. This step links HomeKit and Apple ID. Take a moment to choose the room and enable personal requests if you want messages and reminders routed to this speaker. Once the initial handoff completes, follow the prompts to transfer your Apple ID, Wi-Fi credentials, and Siri settings automatically. You'll be asked to assign a room. Pick a logical location to allow automations to target this speaker. Make sure voice recognition is enabled if multiple users need personalized responses. Confirm location services and personal requests so the HomePod can deliver contextual info. Finally, finish by testing. Ask Siri to play a song, then open an app and choose the HomePod as an AirPlay target to confirm streaming. If something fails, reboot the HomePod and your iPhone. Make sure both are on the same Wi-Fi and that your router isn't blocking multicast. If problems persist, reset the HomePod by unplugging, waiting 10 seconds, plugging back in, then long pressing the top until it chimes 3 times. Once reconnected, repeat the setup steps and rerun the tests.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.